Welcome to SQL and PLPG SQL. So today we will see the basic concept of SQL subquery. So here is one question: what is the subquery in SQL? So first we will see the definition of subquery. A subquery is nothing but query inside a query. So ये था basic definition of SQL subquery. Then we will go for the next point. A subquery may occur in a select clause, from clause, and a where clause. So in select clause we can write a subquery, in from clause and in where clause also we can write a subquery. Then we will go for the next point. The subquery can be nested in a select, insert, update or delete statement or inside another subquery. So these both statements are same. We can write subquery in select, from and where clause. Then we will go for the next point. You can use the comparison operators such as greater than, less than or equal to. The comparison operators can also be a multiple row operator such as in, any or all. So there are two types of subqueries we use in SQL and that is our single row subqueries and multiple row subqueries. So for single row subqueries we use less than, greater than or is equal to operators, and for multiple row subqueries we use in, any and all operators. So the basic difference between single row subqueries and multiple row subqueries is single row subqueries they return single rows and multiple subqueries they return multiple rows. So here you can see the basic syntax of the subquery. Select list from table where operator, and in red block there is another query that is called as inner block. Select list from table. So here we can see the two queries, inner and outer. So this is the basic syntax of the subquery. Then we will see the SQL subqueries example. So for example, we have created two tables, student and marks. In student tables there are two columns, student ID and name, and in marks there are two columns, student ID and total marks. So these two tables are joined with the constraint. Student ID is the primary key in student table and student ID is one foreign key in marks table. So we will see the question to understand what is the subquery in SQL. So question is like, write a query to identify all students who get better marks than whose student ID is V002, but we don't know the marks of the V002. So we will see the V002 means Abhay is the student name, and in marks table is total marks is 80, but we don't know the marks of the table. So to solve this question we can write a two queries. So here you can see to solve the problem we require two queries. One query return the marks stored in total marks field, means in question they have mentioned we don't know the marks of the V002, so for that we have to write one more query. And in second query identify the student who get better marks than the result of the query. So to solve this query we need two queries. So first we will see the without subquery we can get the result, and after we will see the by using subquery how we can get the result of this question. So first we will find out the marks. Select star from marks where student ID is equal to 002. So the result is total marks is 80. So we know the marks of the V002. By using total marks we can write another query. Second query is like, select student ID comma name comma total marks from student A comma marks B. So A and B, these are aliases we have used in this query, where A dot student ID is equal to B dot student ID and total marks is greater than 100. मतलब जो V002 जो अभय स्टूडेंट है उसके मार्क्स से ज़्यादा जितने भी स्टूडेंट के मार्क्स ज़्यादा है उसका डेटा हमें फेच करना है। तो ये क्वेरी ये रिजल्ट दे देगी। क्वेरीज रिजल्ट इज student id, there are two students, so we can see the final query result. But without subquery we have these two queries to identify this result. But by using a subquery, how we can get the result, same result, we will see this query. So here we have written a subquery. This is one inner query and this is one outer query. So in inner query you can get the total marks, and in outer query you will get the student, you will get the, by using this query you will get the same query, same result. So by using this subquery you can get the same result. So there is no need to write separate queries. So this is the benefit of the subqueries. But mainly in while writing any procedure functions procedures, we use subqueries. But instead of subqueries, inner join is better for performance. So whenever we write subqueries, then we have to focus on code, because subqueries is more dangerous for the performance. So this is the basic concept of the subquery. Thanks for watching this video.